And Lord of mercy, man, if love is so nice, then tell me why it hurts so bad. But if love is so nice, you tell me then why I'm sad. Me sing again.
Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican, and this is our first community tour series. Welcome to our community tour. Guys, we're in the hills in the Cockpit Country, and we're in a beautiful community in St. Elizabeth, and it is called Quickstep. Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and if you want us to be a part of your community, if you want our community tour to come to you, hit us up. This is our WhatsApp, and this is our email address where you can contact us, and we will come to your community. All right guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to do the tour now, so come with me.
You say you love me and you care, but you never did the near. Alright, this part of Quickstep where it is right now. We have a lot of things where we grow up here. We grow banana, we grow plantain, we grow pop chai, we grow lettuce, we grow yam, like winter, Winston, yellow yam. We grow like potato, we grow cassava up here. So we go in the hills like the hills them like yesterday. We go in them and we cut something where we call like some but we cut them like 8 foot like
Logwood?
Some log we call them.
Oh.
We cut them and then some truck come in here and take it and carry it. That's how the people them do. First time people that is like them use that little rock and go in the hills and fall the trees and cut it and get the board out of it. Some people go, some people burn the coal. Right now, a lot of people up here are coal them all about.
Oh, okay.
Some people plant coke. A lot of cocoa plant up here. We have cassava. Even me, I'm one of the farmers. We have cassava.
So what you have on your farm?
I have cassava, I have potato, I have corn, I have banana, I have plantain, I have yellow.
So it's a lovely farming community.
Yeah, it's a lovely farming community.
Good morning world, you should say. Okay, doing an interview and thing of this lovely school and this lovely area, which is called the Quickstep here, is a part of the Cockpit epicenter, you know. So right now I show you a little school, how it's set away and thing, the beautification around and all of that. So you see the artworks included done by me, same way, part of my handiwork. And that's a basic school right down there, and the library and all of that. So definitely we are here right now so just we could see the thing fully and see what's the things about in Quickstep, right? The epicenter of the cockpit area, you see me? We're out. This is a water catchment. This is how we do it in Quickstep, because we don't have like running water and stuff, so we have to have tank and all of that. So this is a tank that we catch water in, you know, and this helps to benefit the school with running water.
So you do the drawings on the tank as well?
This drawing here is done by a girl. We was all here doing some work, so this was done by Chantal Campbell. So this is her handiworks.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. As you can see, the background is down there. Down there.
What are these things here?
This was here now as a stand for a jump. Yeah, this used to hold water. It used to hold the water jump. Yes. You understand? It was a big iron jump. Big iron jump that was here.
Okay.
As you can see, that's a bathroom right here. That's the bathroom. This room, female. So. Now, as you can see, this is the canteen. Yeah. Yeah. See, that's it. Some of the artworks here doing. This is my handiwork, just the same.
Okay.
So
this is the water pipe now. We'll get the water pipe.
So the community members, they protect the school?
Yeah, we do protect the school. We protect the school, the environment and all of that. We don't have a problem with theft and all of that. Yeah,
if they don't have a problem with theft. It's only a minor thing.
Oh, okay.
This is the school farm, as you can see.
This is the farm that I was telling you about. I'm the man who do it.
Oh, this is your farm.
Yeah, for a school.
I'm the man who works. Me work.
So this is your farm. So tell me about your farm, Mr. Montague.
Me do this for me and the school. Me work this.
So
this is the potato. This is the one they call the potato. This.
So you have potato
And
here.
you have corn here.
Ooh.
And this is the cassava.
You have
This is the cassava.
you have big cassava trees.
Yes, pass it and come over. This is the cassava. This also cassava. This is the one to put the yam into.
Oh, so no yam is in it as yet?
No.
Oh.
That is the cane.
Okay.
And it's a papaya tree.
Yeah, papaya tree, cane.
And this is the banana.
Okay.
That is the pine.
Oh, you have pine up there.
One is also there.
Mm-hmm.
That is also here. This is also here.
Cane.
This. Come on down here. You come on down here.
I'm coming.
This is still the cane also too.
Mm-hmm. So you got a lot of canes and stuff. Corns and all of that. So what you do? Most of it you give it to the school.
Yeah, me give they tell me to work it upon half thing. So half for them and half for me.
Oh,
so
that is great.
I sell their half and I use mine to what I do.
So the school is doing a good job.
Of course they do it.
Yes, wonderful school.
Yes, definitely. It's me alone did this.
Mm-hmm.
That's me did all of this.
The potatoes are nice.
Potato, they look really beautiful and nice.
Mm-hmm.
This potato,
And the pine, and then you get a lot of potato
yep.
out of it.
A lot, yes, a lot. But you know, they used to come to, you know, and like, you know, like to come like everybody thing. Everybody so I mean, you know, get the right thing, we get it right. I'll know.
Yes.
But you know,
It will come, man.
It's a fight.
Yes.
It's a fight. So we are trying to see if we can back them out of it now. So we get, I am to get something. I take them and tell you, I know you might say looks this big. The right thing we should get out of it, no work out of it, I'll know yet in a long time.
Yes, so farming is difficult sometimes.
Yes, it's difficult. It is because they come here already, and when I come here, I see it haul up, I completely haul up, I come back and plant it more than one time. I try to come on this place, we try to fix it. So we try, miss, is it this cane out? I come out and say 40 cane tap broke control on you. They broke it out and gone.
Oh man, then just take the cane,
just cut the cane,
cut it for themselves, and do whatever they want to do with it.
And it's not their own. Nobody gives them. They do it.
So the owner come for it?
Right, the owner come for it. It wasn't me planting.
Yes.
It wasn't me planting. And me, take them tell me alone do this. Nobody will do this. See that?
Yeah, so you're going to have enough cassava.
See, look at that banana there. Take a picture of that banana. Do you see the banana there?
Oh, you have a big banana.
Walk over there.
Let me go up there to it.
Walk up there.
Yeah, go on with things, man.
Walk up there.
I love it.
And me alone do this with the school. And me did this with the school.
What that banana your name? Bumpy?
They call this one, they call it honey banana. Honey banana.
Oh, it's a honey banana.
Honey banana.
Okay.
Honey banana. Honey banana.
That's nice.
Yes, honey banana. You can walk up here. Come up here.
I'm coming up.
I made it this. I'm say, if somebody come here and I did this up here also, should somebody fight against it? No!
Yes.
They shouldn't do it if they have any sense.
Yes, because
if they have any sense, they shouldn't fight against this.
So
a sense they don't have.
You're doing a great job.
A sense they don't have. When somebody did something like this and you fight against it, you don't have no sense. How can somebody have sense and fight against this?
Yeah, look at it. Beautiful.
Look at it, look beautiful and nice. Miss, you know how much time I come and with grass? You don't just have grass, we get it come to see like this. And a little work.
What time you say this is harvest now?
This potato now, in this place I say June, because it gets set back because two the animal them usually walk from over there. So I have to nail a piece of zinc down there so that animal can't come from over there for the people keep on tight goat over there.
Okay, so
animal.
that is a protection for
the
area.
Yes.
Protect it
So
from
it cannot protect now. So two animal is over now. So by June now,
everything will be ready.
Maybe we can come in here and find.
So both you and the school will benefit.
Right at that time, we will get some potato.
Yes.
Because you can look and say the potato come back up so beautiful and nice now. So that time we able to get some potato.
Very good.
They do it. Right. Keep on mulching it down. These are papaya trees here.
I will eat out the papaya there, sir.
It's insect. It's a bird or the some cereal. It is like that. Go set some data.
Yeah. So we're going to the parish tank.
Going to water, and as you can see from the water tap.
What the school has an outside kitchen?
Yeah, this is even outside.
Yes, this is outside
kitchen. We use whenever time there is some big whatever is going on, like some function is going on.
Oh, so they just cook and
also with the canteen. Yeah. So whenever time we have function going on, so that's when we use the outside. Yep. That's a cottage right there.
oh, somebody's living there?
No one is there at the moment. No. Yeah, so that's a cottage. That is what we call a star apple tree.
Ooh.
So
Star apple tree.
I hold like the money to go.
This is just a little small farm. We also with pepper.
It's a pepper farm.
Yeah. Combine pepper. This callaloo here, you can see the seeds on the callaloo right now.
Callaloo look like they want cut though.
Yeah, this callaloo now it's here for seeding. So they reap the seeds and
replant.
Yeah, and replant. So this is here for just to catch this breed of callaloo.
Oh.
Here, so all of these they're gonna break it off and then seed it back through. So that's the parish tank. That's where we got our water from and all of that. This is the parish tank. This is what supplies our community
with water
and all of that.
So you get water from the main?
We get water and the main from this, and it supports here just Quickstep St. Elizabeth circles only. This definitely does not have a connection. This parish tank here only got the water from the hemisphere,
from the rain.
Yeah. So we catch the water from the rainfall, and this runs the water towards the community outside. But this water, I'm telling you, definitely it's not as much. So basically, as you can see, this is our parish tank, and it's not catching as much water to supply our community. So we have a problem with water issue here.
Oh.
If the rain doesn't fall, we had problem.
So where you have to go to get the water?
So whenever time we have water dry, we have to get the truck to come and truck water to us, and so that's the time when we're gonna get water to use. So we definitely want a more
structured
water structured system in the area. Yeah. And we are called for our people them out there to do that for you. As you can see, it's a nice area, it's green and it's pretty. And believe me, say, trust me, it's nice living here. It's not no stagnant air taking in and all of that.
Yes, fresh air, everything. Yeah. So this is what the houses used to look like in the past.
So this is what the houses look like there in the past. Past time. Yeah.
Okay.
And they have some more traditional house we can show you. So
they're picking star apples.
Yeah. So that one is a ripe one, right?
You don't eat it. Let me have it. Let me have it, Carmen. Thank you.
It's not ripe.
But it will ripe in time. It looks fit.
You have to consider the one on the right.
Yes.
That man tall, he can reach it.
Yeah, I'm not eat it.
Ooh. Star apple is the meanest fruit, you know.
Yes, then no, drop.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
We call this one the green skin stuff. A green skin one this.
Hard to identify.
Yeah.
The green skin.
Okay, sometimes we gotta go around.
Where them there?
Look on the limb over there, gone over there, so look them is. Look at that limb. It's ripe stuff, look at what you.
Oh, them ripe.
Them on the right man, some over there.
Definitely have to climb this.
But
climb the tree.
Yes, we get it. Climb the tree. Climb the tree.
About to go down by the stair.
Deteriorate. Which one are the house?
That's the house over there. That's the forest house.
Oh, okay.
Way up.
Love it. Lovely community. Quiet, nice. And the air smelling so good, you know.
That's the one really around there.
Let me look for him.
It's a goat. As a goat this, yes. See my looking. What's a smile, man?
Yeah.
Watch my pose.
He come like easy in no long one.
Posing for the camera.
Big time pose that yeah. What it?
Yes. It's a recent building.
Has done for the community.
Okay.
Media.
So big up pencils for kids.
Has done for a community.
They're an organization.
Yeah. Pencil for kids. They have done a lot for this community, you know. They have done a lot, man. They come and them do a library here. They come and them sponsor the kids them and all of that stuff. Trust me, them do a great thing for the community.
Okay. Another goat. Hi, goat.
As you can see, yeah, the school there is a little bit right now.
Mm-hmm.
The school are really in.
Yes.
Right now. So this is the basic school. It was a community center, but now it is the basic school because the community center is not actively working, and definitely we're using it now as a basic school. Alright, so definitely we're gonna need a community center.
Oh, okay.
Right? Up. Here is Trelawney, you know, Quickstep. But definitely it's a part of Trelawney, okay? A part of Falmouth, just the same. So we are here now, as I'm showing you that this is the end of the road, the asphalting here of the road. And this road can lead you go all the way back there in the north coast side of Trelawney, okay? And we have about like 14 to 15 miles from here in Trelawney.
You can drive.
Oh.
Yeah,
You can
to
drive.
Trelawney.
So tell me again, we are still in Quickstep.
So we are
No, we in
still, this is Quickstep Trelawney.
Oh.
Yeah, this is Quickstep Trelawney. The whole area from up there of Quickstep St. Elizabeth Trelawney. So that's it, bro.
So we're over the other side.
We are over the other side of Quickstep Trelawney.
Right.
So this is the border up there. We're gonna get to the border and show you all what it is like. Yeah. So we can go a little bit further up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
How the road is like continuing going along the journey, the valley's view and all of that. So we come here, we're gonna show you further on. Leading to Belmont property is back over there.
Into the property.
This road was from way back in the 1970s.
Oh.
Yeah. That this road was beginning to cut through. Yeah, in the 1970s, and from there it closed down. There wasn't any work again done to it. There was planning to get it going through to Trelawney, and it would be very good. You know, it is very, very, very nice in this area. As you can feel right now, the breeze, you can see the still beauty and all of that. Around, you see?
So all they need to do is just to complete the road.
Just complete the road so we can get the tourists from back Trelawney side here to come and see the beauty here. We can still go preserving our green English area and all of that. So only thing that we need is employment in this area. Because it's a very good area. We need things to do in our area.
There's a big pen over there.
So if we could get the road, it would be like...
Yeah, the road would be good. And it's a wonderful road. They just need to fix and pave.
So, as you can see, it's a farming community. Here we raise a lot of animals like pig, goats, cow, etc.
So that's a pig pen down there?
That's a pig pen. It's a pig pen.
That's a pig pen right down there. If you want, you can go take even a look. Nobody gonna chastise us or anything.
So they have a pig pen.
This is a little community here in Trelawney, and this road
Continues all the way to Trelawney.
All the way back into Belmont. All the way.
Belmont.
Trelawney. Okay, so
It's over there now. A lot of people go there now and cut up the land and plant do the deer farming. Lots of people go over there.
So we do a lot of farming back that side also.
A lot of farming in there.
Oh, okay.
But it only depends on the rainfall here. As you can see, that's a black drum there. You got to set it and get water from the sky.
Yes. So it's just a water challenge.
So it's only the water challenge as you can see where.
It's water challenge, man. If I do the water, we are right, man. From your water, we are.
Yeah, so.
Walking. So guys, I'm here in Trelawney, Quickstep Trelawney, and now we're going to walk back over into St. Elizabeth Quickstep. All right, so come with me.
Wow. I'm talking Canada, come on now, go in.
Hey, man, go come out, though.
Yeah, him have to come out.
Oh, God.
Oh, man, poor puppy.
But then when man is but for outside.
And watch him I go back in there.
Him have sense, cause him said easier if he come out more and go in.
Kitchen and all of that. Yo, we're there, you know.
Yeah.
We're there, do a little landscape and community and things.
So guys, this is a first time house. This is how the house is used to look, and then if you look to the side, you will see like an outside kitchen.
There. So that's the thing.
And you see you have an outside toilet here too.
Beautiful forest surrounding.
There's an outside toilet here too.
Oh yes, and an outside toilet. The outside toilet is right here.
We
have no help from government in our side.
Right, thing there. Just talk where you want to talk. Anything
We have no help from them, you know. Them just use people and abuse people.
So what you do? You do farming?
Yeah, I do milk farming to get food for it. And I sell liquor when we get enough, can sell liquor, you know.
So growing up though, what was life like? It was okay?
Yeah, good life grew up rough until this day, you know. The toughness and roughness. You know? Yes, thank you for coming to Quickstep.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks.
Okay.
When we go in a Quickstep, the time when we do in a Quickstep, we plant food.
Oh, so you're a farmer?
And that we do me plant food. We work with Alco backside. We work with Riviera. I didn't do me do as a living. You understand? And there's nothing more there for me to tell you. Me are 84-year-old now. And from history to history, that is what me do. For a living. Do farming. Plant food. And get food to eat.
Okay. So
that alright?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, thanks.
How you make money now?
Yes.
More than take the shot them both.
No, next one. No, Nikki, Tavia.
Teva.
Oh, here what know. You see, we didn't work in a quiz. We lack a communication, understand? We lack a certain thing, understand? You need to develop to find when we are far and assist, understand? We need some development community. But is that necessary right now? I think them call up here the Quickstep, yes sir?
Yes.
I think never name for this before I was born. Them call it look where if me no call, if me no sending no call, if me no call, yes sir? And then after we call it Quickstep.
Yes.
But as far as I look at the year.
Well, up here the name again? Where up here the name?
They call it look behind. If you don't call me, if you don't send me no come, if you don't call me no come. Yes,
oh.
And then change to a name a Quickstep.
Okay.
Whistling. If you find it's about a parish out there. It's between St. and Trelawney. So we need some form of development in the community. So what? I don't know what them can really do for us right now. Otherwise, them can be in the cockpit more, you know.
Yes.
One of the best here in the whole, understand?
Yes.
When it comes to environment, it's very good up here. You understand? So we need some form of development. So now what the government can do for that to develop all the community and everything they can be, you understand?
Okay. Okay, hello.
You see a place like this here, on the height like tube all over the place.
Your face now I go all over the place?
No, it's over all the way.
Hey, what you do?
I talk here. I'm talking to you now. The tourist board me deal with it. You might see me. Come on. We have a tourist house over my place. We have a tourist house in the Maroon town bush.
So we can tour the house?
Come on. We need some more upliftment.
Oh, wait.
No, see me one next second I have right there. Ready to work with me. Because we need to get to Mr. Andrew Wallace. We have Gager, it's a labor right.
Talk a little louder.
We have a Gager at the labor right at Trelawney. We have a labor right at St. Elizabeth. Now we need some help at this community right now. We have a ball field where we get a look 100,000 and we try a thing on it, but it couldn't carry it away. Now we need a help on it to get it in line, baby. And if we get that line in line, we have the community comfortable. 12, 1 o'clock day light rain our community. We're comfortable. We don't have no corona thing, we don't have nobody will come in and have it that them could have pick up somebody out of the community. Talk to me. Now me have a tourist thing where the last tourist me get in here.
So you want to show me the house?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right in the lane. The road that we're going there. We drive right inside.
I walk?
Yeah, we can walk. And I bet you walk, we get the road and see everything go right here. We have one in a Maroon town, the same thing. So any expand from Maroon town, they will expand to me right here. So.
Oh, okay.
At 37 tourists, the last movement right here.
So here can be valued as a tourist destination.
To me, baby. Inside there, we have a cave at 7.5 miles. We go inside.
So you have to go invite me to the cave.
We have all of them except so we need the people, the government to get to it and get to it with respect, and we can deal with them issues. We have a bed coming back.
Oh, okay.
The environment where them get to us, them not have it nowhere in Jamaica. And check it on the media.
Okay.
Night zoo alone will fall here, so we catch it, and when we catch it, nowhere else to have that night zoo like what we have right now.
I come from England last year. Mr. Dalwimper, the MP for Trelawney then, pay me to dig that hole to put my rubbish.
Yes.
Because as the Prime Minister said he want every part of this country to have a pickup system. Ma'am, about 2 weeks ago, I have.
So you don't have a garbage?
No garbage. I show you.
And no garbage truck to collect the garbage or anything like that?
I told you. This is what I come here and dig, man, with my own money.
So you have to dig this with your money?
With my own money, man. Ask them.
This pit was done by him, you know. So
all this would have been
this is all the garbage is
all I'm asking, I pay tax. All I'm asking, ma'am, is fairness for my money that I pay.
Yes, so you need them to come in and collect the garbage in the community.
I will make sure the boy them put them out any Monday them a come. I will even buy them the black bags.
Yeah, even most of the time.
That's all I ask, man.
We up here.
I don't want nothing from them. I just want
somewhere you can put your garbage. Because yes.
When me I go do when this will, and you can see it.
So as a returning resident, this is not acceptable.
This is not what I'm used to. I'm living a slavery life right now. Man.
Yes.
I'm living a slavery life. And nobody up here would give me Miss Dalwimper over here now. I'm asking for Miss Dalwimper because last year when Miss Dalwimper paid me 5,000, 5,000 to do this.
Yes.
She said when you come back, she never know. Mr. Simpson, when you come back, contact me.
Tune into part 2 for us to continue the tour of the Quickstep community in St. Elizabeth bordering Trelawney in Jamaica. We have a lot more places to visit in the community. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more.